StoreFluence AI Review. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm covering StoreFluence AI, a platform that claims to replace influencers, video editors, and content creators with an automated AI system. Before you put any more money into traditional product marketing, it's worth taking a close look at what this tool actually does. StoreFluence AI is a cloud-based platform designed to automate product marketing through AI-generated video influencers. A user uploads a product image, and the system produces a video advertisement featuring a computer-generated model holding or presenting the item. The platform also includes a built-in e-commerce store with pre-designed templates, checkout functionality, and payment integration, consolidating content creation and product sales into a single dashboard. However, before proceeding with the demo and the OTOs, please note that the link provided in the description is my affiliate link. And if you purchase through that link, you will receive some exclusive bonuses from my side. Some discount code, and they have a money-back guarantee as well. Now watch the complete demo video of StoreFluence AI and understand how it works. I hope you understand how StoreFluence AI does its magic. Now, let's see the OTOs, the one-time offers. First, there is the StoreFluence AI Frontend. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is StoreFluence AI Unlimited. Removes all creation limits on stores, AI influencers, products, traffic campaigns, and branding. Includes VIP processing priority and all future updates at no extra cost. Second OTO is the Pro Edition. Unlocks talking AI voice avatars, 100 plus preloaded products, custom domain, free domain, one-click store setup, traffic booster, and faster AI processing speed. Third OTO is Done For You. Their team fully sets up your account, loads products and influencers, automates everything, and promises to help you earn at least $10,000 monthly. Fourth OTO is AI Workers. Adds 20 AI agents handling websites, funnels, emails, videos, SEO, social media, voiceovers, chatbots, and affiliate marketing using simple voice or keyword commands. Fifth OTO is AI Ranker. Promises first-page Google, Bing, and Yahoo rankings within 24 hours using automated backlink generation, faster indexing, and unlimited traffic on autopilot. Sixth OTO is Agency. Lets you sell unlimited StoreFluence accounts to clients using their pre-built sales materials, admin panel, and built-in payment processing through PayPal or Stripe. Lastly, the seventh OTO is the Whitelabel license. Full Whitelabel license letting you rebrand the entire software under your own name, domain, and logo, with hosting, support, and setup handled for you. Now, here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. The link to StoreFluence AI is in the description below. Given the one-time pricing currently available, this is a reasonable time to test the platform before that structure changes. Leave your questions in the comments section and I will get to all of them. If you found this review useful, hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on similar product coverage. I will see you in the next video.